Hi, I'm Alita with WTI. This water bottle makes me so happy because it makes the kids happy. They love it. It is an awesome water bottle for the kids because it is so colorful. It comes in so many different colors. This one is the pink and orange. I love it because it is leak proof. So when I give them water to carry with us while we're on our journeys, it doesn't spill out. It has this cute little holder so they're able to carry it along with them. It opens up with just one press of the finger, so it's very easy for a young child to handle. Once you pop the lock open, the top pops off and it has a wide little mouth there so that they can drink. I love the fact that it's dishwashable, so I can just pop it in the dishwasher anytime. I can take off the little plastic sleeve that is adorable, is there so that they can grip it with their little hands and that it will not fall out of their hands because the plastic easily grips just like that. I love it. One thing that I love is when we're on our travels and we're out and about, you can see how much water they have left so that you can know if you need to go and get a refill. So you can just see right through. So we know when we're ready to refill, but thank goodness you don't have to refill often because this Bubba bottle holds a nice 16 ounces of water. I love it. I highly recommend it. And that is just my point of view.